place those larger items in those overhead bins with the wheelchair handles facing up and your small plate. Want to make sure that everyone fits.
So we just landed, and now we're at where are we? At a timeshare resort area.
Yeah.
Hannah is checking in, but this place looks really crazy. It's like a whole community. It's so cool here. But it's currently 6:30. We're gonna go check in, get ready, shower, change, and all that, and then start our day. We're gonna start with Animal Kingdom. I'm really excited. I'm planning to drink at Animal Kingdom and Epcot. Epcot for sure the most.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, doing the around the world.
I want to get buzzed at least.
Nah, I'm trying to get drunk.
You want to get drunk?
Let's get drunk. We're gonna be there the whole day.
Yeah, that's true. Start at 9 a.m.
Yeah.
We made it. This Animal Kingdom, it's giving San Diego Zoo. Our last ride. I'm so happy.
Finally. It's finally over.
Just got back from the park. We got Culver's. Apparently this is an East Coast thing. Midwest, East Coast. Honestly, we're just so tired. Our feet hurt. I think Evan's gonna eat and then knock it out.
I'm so tired.
Look at all the food. We just finished dinner. It is, what time is it?
9:44.
9:44. We're going to bed. We're so tired. We did not get any sleep. We need to save energy because our goal is to drink around the world tomorrow, and we'll see how we'll do. Do you think we can do it? I really hope we can do it. I'm really excited for drinking, dude.
Are you gonna get blasted?
I thought you wanted to.
I'm scared.
Why?
I'm scared of your version. Oh God.
Can we share breakfast so we have room to drink?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. Okay. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.
Okay.